Stop. No, don't. Put the pencils down. For the love of God, no pencil, no pencil. I'm telling you, no need to think. Don't worry about this one. Stop what you're doing. It's not that hard. Hey everyone, Sebastian here, back again with more SAT math. This time we're going to do some specialty work on Desmos. I'm going to show you 4 hard questions that I make easy using Desmos. We'll start with the circles one. And the whole point of this is to help students who haven't used Desmos too much see the capabilities with it and how they can make a question easier. So in this one, 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 12x minus 8y equals 45. The equation above defines a circle in the xy plane. What are the coordinates of the center of the circle? What many people will do is they'll complete the square and solve out for that, and that's totally fine, but that takes way longer than just plugging it in, as I'm doing, and then seeing what we get. So minus 12x minus 8y equals 45. Then we go down here, let's zoom in. So we have 6, negative 4. We already know that's not going to work. So it has to be x is negative and y would be positive. The only one that's like that is d, right? That would make sense. Negative 3, 2. Okay, that would be right around here and up here. That looks like the center. So it would be negative 3, 2. Quick, just like that. It'd be even faster for you because you'd have a bigger screen to work on with the Desmos. I'm making mine small so you can see the equation and it, but it's just that fast. Negative 3 over 2. All the other options don't make sense. I didn't have to do any calculations, didn't have to worry about writing things down and making mistakes. Just plugging in the equation into Desmos gives me the center. Okay, and here is another one. X plus y equals 1, x minus y equals x squared minus 2. What is the solution for the systems of equation above? Instead of doing elimination method or substitution method, I'm just going to plug in and see what I get. So we have x plus y equals 1, x minus y equals x squared minus 2. We have 2 options, right? We have this one here, 2.4 and negative 0.41. If we look here, 1 plus root 2, 1 plus root 2, negative root 2, and root 2. So what is root 2? That's going to be a factor in this. So we'll do boom, boom. 1.41. So this would be 2.41, 2.41, negative 1.41, positive 1.41. Now this is negative 0.41, so it's none of those. 2.41, so it has to be A or B. And then we have negative 1.41, so it has to be B, negative root 2. It's just that quick. We don't have to calculate anything besides doing these calculations here. I don't have to write anything down. I'm just typing things in. So this is a hard level question that could take a lot longer if you're working it out and you'd be more prone to mistakes. Here, it's just easy peasy. So now let's look at another one. And now here's another one, y equals 73. This one you could solve more easily writing it out, but it's still actually probably easier for a lot of people just to do it like this. And then you go up, see where it intersects, 73. We have 8 and we have negative 8. Clean, our answer is B. You see how quick that is? Very nice and clean. So again, Desmos can make a lot of questions super easy. That's why you want to get comfortable with using it. And now let's go on to the next one. So here's another one where if you know the unit circle, you don't need a calculator, you don't need Desmos. But if you don't, instead of drawing it out or thinking it through, you could just do sine 33 pi. It's a nice quick calculation. I saw some people post on Reddit being like, do we need to know the unit circle? Maybe in the future, maybe for other questions, but not for this one, all right? So again, trust Desmos. Remember, it's always there. And now I'm going to leave you with one to show you that you don't always want to use Desmos even though you think it would help. Because in this one, in the xy plane, a circle with diameter 6 has a center negative 7, 9. Which of the following is an equation of the circle? Instead of graphing it, each of these equations and seeing one that has negative 7, 9, you do need to know the standard form of the circle. So the standard form is x minus h squared. And I wouldn't write this on the test if I'm taking it, because I'm not going to waste time, but I'm writing it out for you guys, equals r squared. So h is the x value at the center, k is the y value, so we'd have x plus 7 squared plus y minus 9 squared. We could eliminate a and b equals r squared. R will be half of 6, so it will be 3 squared 9, so our answer will be C. If you use Desmos for this, you would get the right answer, but you'd have to type in A, see it's wrong, B, see it's wrong, and then C, see it's correct. And that's just wasting time. So don't make Desmos into a crutch and use it every time. Make it into a tool and use it when you need it, and use it when it can help you be fast. Okay, it's all about speed. You can do any question on the SAT without Desmos. It's all about when does it make you faster and when does it make you slower. So if you have questions on this or any other Desmos capabilities, I'm happy to answer those questions. Remember, I made an October prediction for SAT math and a little bit of grammar, which people are liking, so check that out. Otherwise, I hope it's sunny where you are, but if it's raining, I hope it's cleaning your windows and watering your plants. Bye.